Tell me they're gonna kiss or something.
That boy's going to me, bro. That pinky's getting warm. Oh, that one's going for it. Oh, he dropped it.
Say, hey man. Hey man. Hey man. I'm the one that started there. That one went for it and he kicked him. Like, dude, that's my food.
That's my food. That's my food.
Let's forget you. Get away from my food.
Hey, move.
But bro, okay, fine, be that way. I didn't want it anyways. Oh look, I think I found something. Oh yeah, I did.
Never mind.
No, maybe not. Hey, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try to get what you got. We got there, dude.
What's over there, Steve? Hey, Steve, what you doing?
Hey, can I have a look? Hey.
Can I have a look?
Can I?
I'm gonna look. I'm scared.
Oh yeah. Oh look. Oh,
good.
that look good.
Can I add some? Ooh, yeah.
Hey. Can I have some? I'm.
Hey, that's my food. That's my food.
All right, fine.
Fine.
Be that way.
That's my food.
Give it here. Thank you. Well, I'll go find something else. Maybe. Yeah, I think I will. I don't know, man. Oh, look, this looks. Ooh.
Ooh, I like this. This tastes good. Hey, I think I see something. Oh, shit. Oh, my partner's got something.
What you got?
Oh, no. Yeah, this is good stuff.
Dude, this is good.
Oh, yeah. I think I'll go find something else.
Over here.
I don't see anything. No. What's that? Oh, I found something. Oh, no, never mind.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what's he got? Let's go over here. Yeah.
That run though.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, I like this. Hey, what you got over there, man? Nope, never mind. I like this better. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good.